I'm going to add a drone to my hero melody. So I need to create a new instrument, new software instruments. And the instrument I'd like it to have a string sound. So let's go for cinematic strings to add real drama. Now the notes that I'm going to choose, I'm going to use the note C because my melody is based around the note C. So a drone, a continuous note of C would fit really nicely. So as you can see, I've got the note C. I think that's starting spot on in the right time. I might need to move that a wee bit to get it exactly at the right place. If it's across that green line, then you won't be able to hear it. So I need to get it spot on in time with that green line. I'm just going to go through to the end. Get my cursor. Just to check I don't overlap at the end. And that's absolutely fine. So let's listen back to that, check that we're happy with that. I think that this is a bit too loud, so I'm going to reduce the volume on that. Let's go back again. So that's better. I want the melody to be the star of the show. I don't want it to be overpowered by the drone. So by reducing the volume there, it just makes the balance a bit better.